How to grow Radish Red Rambo. Today I would like to tell you something more about one of the easiest microgreens varieties to grow, which is Radish Red Rambo. It grows pretty easily, it is fully purple and it grows pretty fast. Within 11 days you can grow beautiful microgreens. Radish Red Rambo grows on every single type of growing medium. You can grow it on the peat substrate, on the cellulose, on the coconut mats or whatever you like. It doesn't require any seed soaking. You can grow it outside or inside. When you grow it outside, it will grow a little bit slower because of the lower temperatures during the night. But the taste will be more saturated and more spicy. Radish are one of the most popular spring type of vegetables, which means it likes the cold. When you grow Radish Red Rambo, you might get worried about the little green leaves. It's totally normal. They appear because of the genetics. Radish Red Rambo comes from the radish Daikon, which is totally green. When you want to get your color more saturated, you can cut your radish a little bit earlier, so it will be more purple. I will show you how to grow radish microgreens. First of all, make sure you have some space. You need plastic trays, seeds, growing medium and some water, of course. Take your mats, put them in the water for a few minutes. If you have no time, you can use warm or even hot water. They will soften up much faster. Take the water, drain it a little bit, put it in your growing tray, then just sow the seeds straight from the packet. After sowing, spray them a little bit from the top and put another tray on the top and leave them in the blackout in the warm place for 3 days. If you water them enough, you won't need to water them during the blackout time. After 3 days, you can put them under the light. Water them from the top for the last time. After that, water them only from the bottom. After 7 days under the light, they will grow this beautiful. Grow with us!